seller told me that the release pressure button is need to use a screwdriver. How feasible it is, I'm not sure. So I just reopened back the package that I have just properly sealed to try and see if this is the way I'm going to be doing using the screwdriver every time I change the filter, because I need to change the filter every 3 days or 2 days, depending on how dirty the water around here is. So this button here I couldn't press. It's just not, yeah, you look at my hand, look at that, it become white. I'm putting pressure on it, it's not like I'm touching it, just putting pressure, it's just not going down. Well, yeah, can see? That. Now I'm going to turn this and see what happens. Then what? That's it. There's a little hole there. This is Samo water tank. This tank is different from the rest because it is not a push button. It is just a knob there for you to turn if you want to release the pressure. Yeah. See the knob? See my hand going through the other side? It's just a hole. Yeah, it's just a hole here. There is no spring. It's just like that. I keep pressing because it won't go down. I thought there's a spring, but no, there is. It's like that. Well, you can accept it or you can reject if you like. Some people don't find this good to use. Some people prefer the push button, but the push button has a spring. Some spring will rust, some spring will not rust. I think this one we can accept. It's something new. And this size here, you don't need the big one to the small one. It's just one size. Yeah, this size here is just one size. You need the male to male and attach it to a little valve. Yeah, this is it. No. Samo water filter tank. It says to be maximum pressure you can take is 25 kg. That's what the seller say. This is another brand. This is the brand that we are very used to it. Look at it here. There is a screw, and inside there's a spring. Sometimes the spring will rust depending on the brand you buy. If it's a cheap brand, it will rust. And normally we do is press the button here. You see if you look at the screw, press the button here, water will exit. The pressure or the air will exit through this hole here. This is the one is sold in the market, and this is the one that's sold by Samo. It's online, you can buy. It's just a turn using a screwdriver to do that. This one is just standing there, press the button to release the pressure. But this one you need to have a screwdriver. Depending on your preferences, which one you think is better. Look at it. The size of this and the size of this, the hole is different. Yeah, the hole is different. This hole is bigger to the small, and this hole is small to small. Yeah, the small hole and the small hole is the same. But this one usually the hole is a bit bigger. You need to have this to convert the big to small on both sides. This one don't need. It's more convenient and less heavy. This one with this is a bit heavier, a little bit heavy. If you have this. Okay?
Subscribe.
Between these two.